Hi, my name is Justin Pate and welcome to the Avery Dennison 2-day hands-on color change workshop. Everyone who takes the Avery Dennison 2-day hands-on workshop, they get a free roll of film, 25 yards, that's either full print or color change. They get free tools and a discount to the Wrap Institute. With that, let's get to the overview of what you'll learn in this great workshop. Day one begins in the classroom, and that's where you'll learn all what you need to know in order to be successful with color change film. Then after that, the focus is on tools and prepping the car. That includes hard removals, cleaning, clay bar, and degreasing, including measuring the car, where you'll learn how to save at least 4 yards per car. Then there's lunch, and after lunch, the focus is on cutting. You'll learn how to cut corners, get around the edges without overwrapping while getting full coverage. Then the focus is on cutting tape, where you'll learn how to cut directly on the car without cutting the car itself. Then how to work with bigger panels, and that concludes day one. Then on day two, the focus is on the entire car. You'll learn how to wrap fenders, door handles, mirrors, bumpers, work around raised objects like antennas, and much more. And what's super special in the class, you get to work out with a wide range of materials, from gloss, matte, textured, and even chrome. And keep in mind that the workshop is not only taught by myself, but other great trainers like John Duver, Charlie Trio, and Blake Madsen. So you're in definitely good hands, because all the trainers focus not on teaching you how to wrap, but also teach you how to wrap with a business mindset. That means you'll wrap with high quality, also with high profits. So as you can see, not only is the Avery Dennison workshop all about learning the smart way with cutting edge techniques, it's also super focused on hands-on, 90%. And as I said earlier, you get a free roll of material plus tools. So I hope you can take the Avery Dennison 2-day hands-on color change workshop to up your wrap game.